There is new aggressive wave of app blocking on the Amazon Fire Stick, where most of the dodgy apps are now being blocked even before installation, and you can guarantee it is not stopping there. Most of the comments I get say, just dump the Fire Stick and switch to an Android device. That used to be solid advice, but that line is starting to blur. These same restrictions are spilling over to Android devices as well. ONN streaming boxes, Google TV devices, even newer Android streamers are now showing the exact same block messages. If you try installing apps that were previously blocked on Fire Stick, you'll notice they fail, crash, or get restricted the moment you open them. Let me show you exactly what these blocks look like and how they appear on different devices. Watch this. So this is the message you'll see when you try installing an app that's flagged as potentially harmful. It's almost identical to the warning you get on an Amazon Fire Stick, which tells you exactly where this is heading. In this video, I'll show you how to bypass this restriction by disabling one simple setting on your Android device. Nothing complicated. Now, what's blocking it here is Google Play Protect. It's Android's built-in security system that scans apps before install, monitors behavior in the background, and blocks anything it thinks could be risky. It runs 24/7, even when you're not doing anything. And that's why these apps never get a chance to open. That said, there is a way to turn this feature off. Just keep in mind, once you do, you're taking full responsibility for what you install. You need to be aware where you are installing apps from and what apps might potentially be harmful for your device. If you just head over to the settings and then select all settings, head down over to privacy. Scroll down to where it says security. And here you can see the options which says scan apps with Play, protect ADN, improve harmful app detection. If you turn these options off, your Android device will no longer give you any warning messages or any blockage messages, and you'll be good to go. So let's just turn this off. And it is now completely disabled on my device. And now you can test it out yourselves by installing the apps that were completely blocked first, but with this change in setting, they will now install. Since Play Protect is now turned off, I strongly recommend always using a reliable VPN when installing these apps. A VPN helps keep your connection private, reduces tracking, and adds an extra layer of protection while sideloading. It doesn't remove all risk, but it significantly minimizes it when you're installing third-party apps. If you don't have a VPN installed, click the link in the description or the pinned comments to get yourself one with an 87% discount. Hope you have a great week ahead and safe streaming.